ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਯੂ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਇਰ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡਸ ਕੋਰਸ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿਦ ਦੀਪ ਜੀ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਹੈਡਲਾਈਨ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਪਾਈ ਚਾਰਟ ਬਾਰੇ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਟਿਪਸ ਐਂਡ ਟ੍ਰਿਕਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੇਰੀਏਸ਼ਨਸ ਦੱਸੀਆਂ ਜਾਣੀਆਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਾਈਟ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਪਾਈ ਚਾਰਟ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ छोटा जिहा टैस्ट है, तुसीं मैनूं कमेंट बॉक्स के दस दिओ आंसर दियर क्वेश्चनस अबाउट दी IELTS पाई चार्ट। वट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू ऑर्गेनाइज यूर आंसर्स, राइट पैराग्राफ अबाउट इमीग्रेशन एंड वन अबाउट दिस इमिनेशनस। इमिनेशन दस सकते हो कि तुसीं पैराग्राफ अबाउट इज इमीग्रेशन, वन अबाउट इज इमीग्रेशन। सैकेंड वर्ड राइट अबाउट द पाई चार्ट टुगैदर कंपेयरिंग ईच ऑफ द रीजनस। डू यू कंपेयर दिस words to words and approximately years mentioned to comparisons. Second, what tenses should you use right about the IELTS pie chart? Your past, present and future do you use in pie chart? My third questions, can you talk about increase and decrease when decreasing the information? What about yes and no? Do you write on me comment box. Now take a look at a model answers this pie chart. Main reasons for migration to from the UK 2007. It is totally past tense. It's past simple. Do you write down? First question, your top up of reading means mention the years like numbers, percentage and years mention 2007. Okay, 3-5 words in mention like looking for work, others, accompany, now, reason, status, formal study, define, jobs. Numbers less, more and negligible you write on. Rephrase this information about introduction. The pie chart illustrates the primary reasons the people came to and left the UK in 2007. These words in this rephrase, the pie chart illustrates the primary you're in past. Reasons the peoples came and left the UK in 2007. You rephrase same to line, write down like you write down main reason migration from and 2007. Next, at the first place, it is clear that the main factor influencing the decisions was employment. Main decisions was employment. Why? Reasons. Introduction, BP1, BP2 and overall. Having a definite jobs accounted for 30% of immigration to the UK. Very simple to relations write on, and these figures was very similar for immigration at 29%. A large number of people, 22, also immigrated by the were looking for a job. Your same answers you write down increase in 3 paragraphs in 1 paragraph and decrease 1 paragraph. First of all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 do you write down 3 paragraphs and last for you overall 4 paragraphs. First of all, having a definite jobs accounted for 30%. Account 30% in first day and accounted for in green in defined jobs. Starting the percentage is immigration to the UK and the figure was very similar for immigration 29%. 1% is decreased in the new year 2007. Next, years also immigrated because they were looking for the job. Through the proportion of people entering the UK for this purpose was noticeable lower at less than 50. Less than 50 is decreased. Next, BP, another major factor influencing a movie to the UK was formal study. Watching these movies, people to formal study with over a quarter of people's immigrations for these reasons. However, interesting only small majority 4% left of these. 4% in decreased in new development in 2007. Third paragraph, the proportions of those moving to join a family member were quite similar for immigrations and missions at 50%, 30% respectively. Do two proportions in one paragraph last for the respectively sentence. It is a boosted about your score respectively. Although significantly number of people 32% give other reasons or did not give a reasons by the emergent, this accounted for only 70% with regard to immigration. This is accounted to 70% increase and decrease. First percent of increase company 50%. Company 50%, formal study 26%, others 11%, no reason standard 6%, 30% is defined jobs, 12% is looking for work in same categories but changes in decrease and increase in new development, like 22% proportion is increased. Just wait. Increase, decreased. I write down. Decreased, increase. New added. Increase, decrease 2%. Increase, decrease. Okay. No data is given image in new added 30%. Increase, decreased. Okay. Last for overall. The proportion of those moving to join a family members were quite similar for immigrations and emissions at 50 and 30% respectively. Two data is given. Although